Hey everybody, happy Friday. It's Friday, October 3rd. I had to double check there for a sec. And it was one of those days, again, when I did more sleeping and let the leaps do their thing. Um, my leap and sleep strategy: buy leaps and then sleep, not do anything. And that's what I did. Throughout the day, my portfolio touched an all time high, like intraday, to finish the day down from that number, but up overall. I was up at one point to $167,000, which is about 100% unrealized gain on what I've invested, which is pretty cool. But I ended the day by a little lower, $166,130, which is about $3,000 more than I started the day with, and about 98.6% unrealized gain on what I've invested. So that's all right. Monday may close higher, may close lower, but it sounds like there may be a peace in the Middle East between Israel and Hamas coming. The latest thing I saw was that there may be an agreement that's coming, so that should be good for business, and we'll go from there. Instead of trading today, I did place an order, but it didn't come through. I placed that order and went on with life, played a video game, and then I went for a walk with the dogs in the forest, and that was that. In terms of what brought my portfolio down, it was actually a leap for Nvidia today, along with a leap for SoFi, and another leap for Nvidia. What brought it up significantly again was D-Wave Quantum. They were up a lot yesterday. They were up a lot again today. So D-Wave, a leap for D-Wave did well, and a leap for Reddit is finally turning the corner and recovering some of the cash that it lost earlier this week. As you can see, a few others did well as well, and it was all good overall. As I said, I was up $3,000 at the end of the day, which is 1.9% gain on the portfolio, compared with the 0.13% gain that the S&P 500 index produced today, or the 1% return gain you would have got on a straight TSX index return today. So I'm pretty happy with those results. My objective is to get up to $200,000 and then take my foot off the gas a little bit and ease into some more stable ETFs. But I'm almost there. So I'm just bearing that in mind. The strategy is to continue with the leaps and reduce the risk exposure eventually to just be more in the index funds. That's my plan, anyways. And just waiting on the next installment of the Canada Disability Benefit. Another $200 deposited from the government, and I will invest some of that money again, and pay off some debts and move forward. Other than that, can't really say anything different today. It was just a good day on the market. Hope you had a good one, and I will talk to you again tomorrow or Monday. Talk to you on Monday. Thanks for watching.